Takahiro, on his Airman channel, renovates a traditional Japanese house. He not only talks about how to do construction and renovation work, but also what it is like to live in the country. Living alone and pursuing dreams and romance, Takahiro moved from Osaka to Oita, two prefectures that can vary a lot when we talk about architecture. Oita, a prefecture on the island of Kyushu in Japan, boasts a rich architectural heritage, and this prefecture features traditional Japanese architectural styles. In its historic buildings and temples, these structures often incorporate some particular elements that give them a unique and special touch. These are tatami mat flooring sliding doors, shoji screens, and wooden construction. Tatami mats are traditional straw mats used as flooring. In many Japanese homes, they provide a soft, natural surface for sitting and sleeping. On the other side, fusuma are sliding paper-covered doors that are commonly used to divide spaces. They are known for their beautiful artwork and allow for flexibility in configuring the space. Shoji or sliding screens made of wooden frames and translucent paper. They are used to let in natural light while maintaining privacy. Normally, this type of buildings have an engawa, a narrow veranda that surrounds the house, acting as a transitional space between the interior and the garden. That also provides shading and protection. Reforming or renovating a traditional house in Oita can be a rewarding endeavor, but it requires careful planning and consideration of both the historical and cultural significance of the house, as well as modern living needs and regulations. It is very important to check with local authorities and historical preservation organizations to understand any regulations or restrictions on renovating a traditional house. Determining which traditional elements of the house must be preserved is us must carefully assess its condition and determine if they can be restored or if they need to be replaced. Oita has a humid subtropical climate influenced by its coastal location. The area is prone to earthquakes, so reinforcing house foundations is important for safety. Summers are hot with heavy rainfall, making a durable, well-maintained roof essential. Traditional thatched roofs need special care, while modern materials offer better protection from rain and humidity. Upgrading wall insulation can help regulate the indoor temperature and reduce energy consumption. Insulating walls can also help with humidity control and prevent mold growth. Oita experiences high humidity, especially during the summer and rainy seasons. Implementing proper ventilation systems will address humidity and prevent moisture-related issues, such as mold, which is particularly hazardous in houses with wooden structures. Mold spores are released into the air, and when inhaled, they can irritate the respiratory system. It can also compromise the structural integrity of a building, as it feeds on organic materials like wood and cellulose in drywall, weakening them over time and leading to sagging ceilings or warped walls. Another way to avoid this type of problem is an adequate drainage around the foundation. Install gutters and downspouts along the roofline of the house to collect rainwater in areas prone to flooding or where the water table is high. Consider the installation of French drains. These drains can be placed around the perimeter to divert excess rainwater away from the foundation. Laminate flooring offers an affordable alternative to hardwood flooring, consisting of a multi-layer synthetic mat feel with a printed design layer that replicates the look of wood stone or tile. It is easy to clean and maintain, marking it a practical choice for modern homes. In the inside, Takahiro is doing a very nice job with the layers of insulation and the first coat of paint in traditional houses with high sloping ceilings. Washi paper is used to create a gentle diffusion of light. Is especially desirable in traditional Japanese houses where natural light is highly valued, and with like any home, good renovation needs new furniture. In Takahiro's channel, we can find other videos concerning the assembly of customized furniture. Jusugi-ban is a traditional Japanese technique of preserving wood by charring its surface. As we can see, it not only enhances the wood's longevity, but also creates a unique finish. Takahiro is very passionate about natural finishes, such as urushi lacquer, known for its glossy finish. The application process may involve several techniques, in, say, using nuru coating, maki sprinkled picture in mother-of-pearl inlay, and suguru nori high-relief coating. Through the renovation of a traditional house in Oita, Takahiro shares not only construction knowledge, but also a slower, more meaningful way of life close to nature. By preserving elements like tatami, shoji, and engawa, while adding modern solutions such as insulation, ventilation, and moisture control, he shows how traditional Japanese architecture can blend harmoniously with modern living needs. If you like this video, visit the Aromanch channel to learn more about Japanese architecture. There you will not only find tips, but you will also be able to see the processes by this talented craftsman. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment about which part impressed you the most.